This is the snow coming up at the window. Let's see what time. It's now 12:33 Sunday, 12:33, and the snow is coming out the window. I'm gonna have to knock it off because it's gonna be frozen. And look outside. That's the backyard garage. So much snow. Oh my god, look at that. That's like a few inches up. That's like probably 6-7 inches there at the steps. Okay, let me knock this off. Oh my god, it's even coming in. They're coming through here. Oh, look at this. Let me knock it off. Oh, it's cold. I'm just gonna like knock it off. It's very soft. I'll get something to knock it off because it's very cold. Okay, I'm back. I came with a spoon just to knock it over. They go down. Oh my god, it's a lot of snow. There's the brick for the house. They cover the brick. My goodness. Let's see if it's gonna get filled up again. Look at that. Okay, so I clear it off. Let's see how long it's gonna take to get filled up again. It's only 12:30 now, Sunday. There's the snow.